Bonjour, we are looking at how to say the name of this French sociologist from history. How to say it correctly. So, how would you say it in France in French? Jean, not Jean or John, Jean. Baudrillard, Baudrillard. So the D at the end is silent. The I-double-L essentially comes down to a Y sound, no L sound there. So in English you could say it as Baudrillard, Baudrillard. Doesn't matter which syllable you emphasize or stress on to the surname, you could say it, because in French all syllables are equally stressed. So you could say it as Baudrillard or Baudrillard. There's no correct way to say it. You can say it either way in French, Jean Baudrillard, or in English, Jean Baudrillard, Jean Baudrillard. And now, you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, it helps me immensely, and subscribe to learn more videos for you here to learn more. Also, thanks for watching, merci.